Okay, real talk. If you're still afraid of AI in 2025, you're using it wrong. Because the creators that are winning right now, they've got digital alter egos running in the background while they live their lives. We're talking faceless YouTube channels, bot management DMs, and AI written content. And yes, AI helping run your FeetFinder brand. Not to replace you, but to amplify you. Let me show you how to make it work. Let's get this straight. Your personality is still the product. AI just helps scale it. Here's how creators use AI smartly on FeetFinder. Write 30 unique niche captions in seconds with ChatGPT. Schedule drop days and holiday themes with Later or Metricool. Set up automatic responses for messages using chatbot templates, and test 5 different thumbnails to see what drives the most clicks. This saves hours and makes your brand look 10 times more polished. Here's where it gets fun. Creators are launching entire digital personas that extend their vibe, and fans are loving it. Here's some examples. A sassier AI version of yourself that replies to comments with humor. A Zodiac Feet alter ego that sends weekly content drops with horoscope vibes. A calm spa-like digital voice delivers nightly foot care tips. These alter egos boost engagement, build loyalty, and let you take breaks while your brand keeps working. And because it's FeetFinder, you're offering more than pics. You're offering an experience. FeetFinder might be your base, but your AI alter ego can grow beyond it. And here's how. Run a Telegram group that drops daily foot affirmations from your digital voice. Sell spicy story scripts written in your brand tone. Launch a foot care blog powered by AI writing in your curation. Offer weekly anonymous foot therapy advice letters. You're building a world and AI does all the busy work. Now let's be clear. AI is not a shortcut to fake it. Viewers and buyers can tell when content is soulless. So here's how to use AI without losing you. Use it to boost quality and save time, not cut corners. Stay connected with your audience with real responses, Q&As, and behind the scenes. Keep your creative control. AI works best when it follows your vibe. People don't connect with perfection, they connect with presence. So yeah, if you're using FeetFinder or any content platform in 2025, don't fear AI. Team up with it, build your AI-powered alter ego. Let it handle content drops, replies, and storytelling while you focus on the creative sauce. You don't need to work harder, just smarter. Smash that like button, hit subscribe. If you're building income with strategy, not burnout, check the description for a list of AI tools to streamline your creative workflow. Catch you in the next one. Stay sharp, stay smart, and keep stacking those wins.